Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on your Windows 11 computer. And now let's get started. If your Windows 11 computer shows that it is connected to Wi-Fi but you cannot access the internet, do not worry. We have a few effective solutions for you. First, let us try running the built-in troubleshooter. Right-click on the Start button, and then select Settings from the menu that appears. Once in Settings, navigate to the System tab. On the right side of the System window, scroll down until you find the Troubleshoot option and click on it. Then, select All Troubleshooters. You will see a list of troubleshooters. Find the Network and Internet Troubleshooter and click the Run button next to it. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the troubleshooting process. If the troubleshooter does not resolve the issue, the next step is to update your network drivers. To do this, open the Windows search bar, type Device Manager, and select it from the search results. In the Device Manager window, expand the list labeled Network Adapters. Locate your network adapter, which might be named something like MediaTek, and right-click on it. From the context menu, choose Update Driver. Then, select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will attempt to find and install the latest drivers for your network adapter. For the final and often most effective solution, we will perform a network reset. This process will reinstall your network adapters and reset various network components back to their original settings. Right-click on the Start button again and select Settings. Navigate to the Network and Internet tab. Scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. Here, you will find an option for Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. Windows will ask for confirmation. Click on Yes to proceed with the network reset. Your computer may restart after this process. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.